Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're going to be looking at the third lesson in the linear patterns exercises that we're doing, all taken from Gary Shafee's book, Time Functioning Patterns. Make sure you check it out. I'll leave a link for it in the description where you can pick it up. It's a staple in drumming. So what we're doing is we're taking one full bar of 16 notes and we're dividing it up between the hands and the feet to make the linear exercises, okay? We're doing it through a number system. Now, the last two lessons we did were even numbers. Now today is going to be a bit more difficult because they're odd numbers and there's two. So we're dealing with 5 and 3. So how to divide it up between the hands and the feet for just 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to do 4 with the hands and 1 with the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, alright? The second one we have is 3. So we have 2 with the hands and 1 with the feet. 1, 2, 3. Add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. It's very important to do that over and over and over with the number system in your head, just saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. And very slowly, and then slowly building it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. But you want to make sure that it's nice and smooth. Then after you've got that nice and smooth and you're thinking of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, very, very important is to bring it back to what we are, the note value. In this case it's 16 notes, because we need to make sure that we're playing the right note that we have in our head. In this case it's 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a, saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. It's not the exact note value, or there's a chance that you could be playing it wrong. So a good way to get through that is one bar of straight 16 notes with right, left, just playing it straight, and then going into this new linear pattern for one bar, going back to the straight 16 notes with the hands into that. And what we're doing is we're bringing us back to exactly what it should sound like by the hands going 1 E and a 2 E, 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. We do that over and over again, speeding it up and getting used to playing it with the 16 note in mind. Then what we want to do is have fun and bring it around the drum kit. So let's basically take a number for each drum. For instance, we'll do 5, 3, 5, 3, and we'll just keep going around and around and around. And you can just do that over and over again, and then basically open it up and get creative, like I've told you loads of other times before in videos. You can bring that to anywhere you want. Here's one that I play, a really good fill that I like. So I'm going to do 2 on the hi-hat, 2 on the snare, foot, so that'll be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to hit the bell and the hi-hat and the foot. That'll continue for 3. Or 1 and a 2 and a. Alright? Then I'm going to do 4 with the snare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to finish off with 1, 2, 3 for the third one. And that's a really cool fill. Yeah. Alright, and you can go and sky's the limit. You decide what drums you want to play on. Okay, we may as well cram the next lesson into this one. It's the same as this one. The only difference is we're changing the number around. It isn't 5 and 3. We're thinking about 3 and 5. So same system. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we're just going to do that. Take it slowly at the beginning. Take it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, when you have that down, mix it with the straight 16 note into one bar of the linear, into the 16 note, into one bar of the linear, then bring it around the drum kit. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then start making your own fills out of it. It's literally that simple. It's just another kind of flavor that you can pull out rather than going 5 and 3. Now you can go 3 and 5. Guys, that's it for this lesson. Next week we're going to talk about basically those 4 lessons that we've done, and we're going to mix them all up and come up with way cooler ideas. Take it easy. Have a good one. Bye bye.
Guys, hit me up on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And if you like what you're seeing here today, you can see a lot more videos. Just click on any of them here on the screen.